How to make stir-fried shredded potatoes like a pro, crispy, refreshing, and so delicious with rice. Peel 2 yellow potatoes. They extra crispy. Slice the potatoes, then cut them into thin shreds. Rinse well to wash off the starch. Cut green onions into sections. Crush and mince some garlic. Slice bell peppers into strips. Bring water to a boil. Add the potato shreds and blanch for about 1 minute. Drain them well. Heat some oil in a pan. Add Sichuan peppercorns for fragrance. Toss in garlic and green onions and saute until aromatic. Add light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and black vinegar. Stir to release the flavors. Add potato shreds and bell pepper strips. Stir fry on high heat. Season with salt and chicken bouillon. Keep stir frying on high heat. Then add the green onion sections. Stir everything together and it is done. Crispy and refreshing. Oh no! Oh my god, this is out of this world.